In the previous Java Swing tutorial, we made an application that includes a label and a button. When the button is pressed, the text of the label changes and a message is printed to the console. In this video, we will learn how to use the text field. Let's learn how to use it by making an example. First, I will move the label in the Y coordinate. I have positioned the label just below the button. I will add a text field above the button. I create an object from the JTextField class. I can set the default text by sending a string to the textfield constructor. I set the position and size of the text field using the setBounds method. Then I add text field to the application. I added a text field to the window. Let's learn how to change the properties of the text field. We use the setText method to change the text of the text field. This method is the same as setting the text field object with the constructor. We will see the same text on the screen. In some cases, you can prevent the text of the text field from being changed. To do this, send false to the setEditable method. The text field can't be edited. If you send true to the method, you can edit it. You can change the text field font. I changed the font using the font class. The font will change according to the parameters I sent. Now let's do an example. My goal is to make the value entered into the text field appear on the label when I press the button. We had previously defined a method for the button. I can do this using this method. I can change the text of the label using the setText method. I can find the text entered into the text field with the getText method. But I can't access the text field object in the method. I should add the method after the code where I define the text field. I copy and paste. Now I can access the text field. I set the value entered into the text field to the label using the getText method. The value I entered into the text field is shown on the label when the button is pressed. In this video, we'll learn how to use the text field in Java Swing. I recommend you to watch the next Java Swing tutorial.